The weed ear knot rope weaving tutorial is simple and easy to learn. First, take a number 72 jade thread 80 centimeters long. Reserve about 10 centimeters at the front end of the middle position and fix it to make the axis. Then take another 1.6 meter long jade wire and fold it in half. Hang it on the axis in a flat knot. Push it out. Fold it in half with the 1.2 meter long 12-strand gold wire, and hang it on the axis in the same way. Then the gold wires cross left and right from the middle of the axis like in the video. Then the blue line on the right goes up from below the middle of the axis and enters the golden circle on the right. Similarly, the blue line on the left comes up from below the middle of the axis and then through the golden circle on the left. Then tighten and straighten the 4 threads at the same time. Continue to repeat the operation. 2 gold wires cross left and right from the middle of the axis. The blue line on the right comes up from the bottom of the middle of the axis and then passes through the golden circle on the right. The left column line comes up from below the middle of the axis. Insert it into the golden circle on the left, and then tighten the 4 threads. At the same time, in this way, weave repeatedly. Braid until desired hand length. After braiding to a suitable length, the gold thread and the blue thread are each tied with a flat knot. After laying, cut off the excess thread and burn it with a lighter. At the end, here we make up a short section of foam GS seat for adjusting and pulling. Scissors and lighter to deal with excess thread. Weft Junior, put on beads, finish off with a fold. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, HandiCrafts, so that we can bring you more videos like this.